Do you know you can connect your smartphone and your PC together, and your PC will be making use of your smartphone camera as a webcam? Hi guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to use the camera of your smartphone as your PC webcam. Okay? So to do that, first go to the Play Store and download Camo app. So this is the app we are going to use to perform this. Just tap and install it on your phone. I've already installed it on my phone, so I will not do it the second time. So once you are done installing it, now let's go over to our PC. So now with any browser of your choice, go to rencubate.com/camo. So once their homepage opens, as you can see, depending on the system you are using, as I am using Windows for this tutorial, you just come down and click on other platform. So now under the Camo Studio, click on download for Windows. So after it's done downloading, click and launch it open. So now go ahead and accept their license agreement. Then click on install. You just have to wait for a few seconds for it to finish installing on your PC. Okay, now it's done. Just click on finish. So now that we have finished installing the Camo app on our phone and also have downloaded the Camo Studio on our PC, now it is time to connect both of them together so that our PC can be able to use the camera of our phone as a webcam. There are two ways on how to do that. One is by using a USB cable, and the second one is by connecting it through wireless. So in this video, we are going to connect it through wireless, okay? So let's go. Now go to your PC and click on this plus icon. Now you see the QR code. So you are going to scan the QR code with the QR code scanner on the Camo app on your phone. So we are going to go back to the Camo app on our phone. So now on the Camo app on your phone, tap on this wireless connection, which is the third one, the last one here on this app. Tap on it. Then you will see the QR scanner. So after scanning the QR code, then it will pair your PC and your smartphone together. So now you have to go to your PC and come over here under device and choose your device. Like this one now is using the camera on my PC, but I want to make it to use the camera on my phone. So you have to click here. Then you will see the name of your phone written down here. Just click on it. Then as you can see, it will turn the camera on your phone to your PC webcam. So you can see it here. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment, like and share this video, and follow me for more tips.